to be sure of the type of content to put out that will appeal to your audience? The first thing you need to do is to sit back and think. If I were in the shoe of my ideal customer, what is a problem I am currently facing that my own products can solve for me? So if you're clear on what that problem is, now present your products, right, or your service as a solution to my problem by giving me value, right, that directs me to your product. An example, I sell clothing items, for example, right? So what kind of value adding posts can I create when it relates to clothing items? One, I could make a how-to post on how to boost your self-confidence. Does self-confidence have anything to do with the way you're dressed? Absolutely. But how? I may not know. So giving me information on how this happens will go a long way. So now look back and look at, okay, what are the various aspects of my ideal customer's life, right, that needs improvement, that my products can fill in that blank. Now, if I have identified that, now look for ways to create value-adding content, right, that will be so useful to your ideal clients that whenever they see you pop up on their feed, they want to engage and relate with what you are putting out. That way, it moves them closer to buying what you have to sell.
Follow for more.